Okay, so here it is. Here's my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. This is $204.75 worth of goods. And when it's all said and done, I had an overage, a moneymaker of $30.24. And yes, as always, that total includes the tax. So we got to keep it real on our coupon boast here, real accurate. This is for the week of March 3rd to March 9th, or March 2nd to March 8th if you live up north. I'm down in the southern part of the state of Florida, so the first day of the sale is Thursday. Today is Thursday, and I'm going to be doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off and do these deals the rest of the week. So, wow, a lot of good deals today. This is 17 or so best deals I think this week, and I'm going to get right into it. And wow, usually I do deals again. These are like all new deals. I did maybe one or two I did before. And let me get right into 17 or so. So let's start with the Tena Pads. And if you watch my video, I had a huge money maker on Sunday on these things. And yeah, I did it again because that coupon is so strong, even at regular price. So for two of these at regular price, they're $5.39. So for two of them, add the tax, comes to $11.59. And there is a $4 off manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source 227. So use two of those, and you get $8 off. And also, coupons.com has $5 off at two. So take advantage of that. And I got so much stuff here. Some say, oh, you're not allowed to use coupons. Use your best judgment on that. But anyways, $8 from the manufacturer coupons, $5 back from coupons.com is $1.41 overage moneymaker on that. And Mountain Dew. Okay, so let me get into it. I did this in 4 transactions. So you could have done it in 2 transactions. Pretty much could have done all this in 2 transactions. I did it in 4 transactions because, of course, I was working up to something. I had that $5 off a 30 coupon. So just going over $30 each time, using that $5 off made it really strong. And then, of course, one time, I took advantage of that gas card, $10 off of 50, which is actually a better deal than $5 off of 30. But, I'd rather have, the money than a gas card. But anyways, let's get right into it. These came back in your Publix digital coupon for a free one. So they came back, and they are regular price $3 each. So for two of them with tax, it comes to $6.46. But they're on sale for $2 each. And the Publix digital coupon is computer. It's smart. It's only going to take 2 off, not 3 off. So for two of these, they come to $4.30 when you add the tax. I got $2 off one of the transactions, $2 off the other transaction, making them only 15 cents each, or 30 cents total. All right, keep going. Softsoap refill kit. So this is a new kind of product deal, and that's usually what happens when they have a new product out. They put coupons out to get it sold and people to try it, and this was no different. So Softsoap here refill kit is $5.99. And you add the tax to that, it comes to $6.44. And then we got a Publix digital coupon for $3 off. So the Publix digital coupon is for either one of them, $3 off either one of them. So as I said, I did 2 transactions. So the first time I used that Publix digital account, the second time I used the other Publix digital account. So regardless, you pay $6.44 with tax, and use $3 off Publix digital coupon, and you get $1.50 back from Ibotta, making that only $1.94. Softsoap starter kit. This was another transaction I did in the second transaction, or third or fourth transaction, whatever one it was. This is $6.99, so with tax comes to $7.51. As I mentioned, that Publix digital coupon takes $3 off, and then Ibotta has $2 back rebate, so it cost me $2.51. And of course, as I said, I got $5 off every time of these transactions. So one by Poise 2-in-1 pads. So these are $8.99 with tax. They come to $9.66. And look on Fetch, because Fetch has 5,000 points. So that's equivalent to $5. So, and then there is a Publix digital coupon for $2 off. So $9.66, you get $5 back from Fetch, and you get $2 from the digital coupon, making that only $2.66. Actually, Fetch gives you a little more. I didn't factor in all the 4 receipts. It might have been like another $1 or 75 cents or something, but I didn't really factor that in. Let's keep going. All right, Pantene. This was a good one. And sometimes you get lucky, and I got lucky a couple times in these transactions, and I hope it works for you as well. So what I did here with this Pantene shampoos, or you can get the conditioners, they're $3.83 each, whether you get shampoo or conditioner. So for 6 of them plus tax comes to $24.70. And there is a $5 Publix gift card when you get over $15. So I got over $15. And it actually took it off at the register right away. So that was $5 off of that. And I used 2 of these coupons from the PG, which is that PG February 27th. So use 2 of those coupons. Yes, it flipped over. 2 of those coupons, $5 off of 3. So I got 6, so I used 2 of those $5 off of 3 coupons. And then I submitted it to Stocking Spree. So if you're not familiar with this, if you get 50 points, which is $50 spent, you get a $10 Publix gift card. So this was about $22, and this was $22.98 submitted to Stocking Spree, which is roughly $4.80. And here's where the good part came in, and I'll show you right here on my receipt. I got all those Pantenes. I used those 2 $5 off coupons, $5 off, and my digital came off as well. So what I did is I hand them the paper coupons first, and then at the end I put in my phone number for the digital coupons. Gotta love that Publix perk came off too. I mean, it's just so lucky. So $5 off of that. So that was very, very good. So here we go. So $24.70 for those 6. That $5 off gift card came off, so that's $5 off. 2 of these $5 off coupons, so that's 10 off. That Publix digital coupon is another $5 off, and Stocking Spree, as I said, is about $4.80 to Stocking Spree. So in total, that was a 10-cent overage, and that's tax included on those guys. And once again, getting over that $5, or for you guys, you probably won't have this $5 off of 30, but you can use that $10 off of 50 gas card to get your gas card for only $40, or grocery, whatever, and $10 off your groceries or gas card. All right, keep going. Chobani creamer. So these are, where are they? There we go. $4.49 each. So for 2 of them comes to $8.98, but they're BOGO, buy one get one free. So you get 2 of them for $4.49. And there's a Blinky coupon. So this is like an in-store dispenser coupon. They also call it a Blinky coupon, I believe, because there's a light that blinks when you walk by it, and it shoots out another coupon every minute and a half or whatever it is. So $4.49 for those 2. $2 off and $2 off. It does say a limit of 1, but not one cashier looked at it, read it, and saw it. I mean, I guess if you had 8 of them, then they'd probably look at it, but 2 of them, a coupon looking like that, they didn't even look at it. So I used 2 of those, so that came to 49 cents. And then Ibotta has $1 off of 2 for me. Some people might have $1 off, so you'll do better than me on that. But these were a 51-cent moneymaker on those. All right, keep going. The Chobani oat milk, same kind of thing, almost exactly the same deal, except it got a little better. So these are $4.49 each. So for 2 of them come $8.98, but they're BOGO. So you get 2 of them for $4.49, and then you use 2 of those Blinky coupons. These are in front of the product on the shelf, as well as the other ones were. So you use 2 of those. So that would bring your $4.49 down to 49 cents, because you get $4 off. And then Ibotta has $1 off of 2, so you get another $1 off. And then Checkout 51 has $1 off as well. So for those was $1.51 overage moneymaker. All right, the Foodie pasta sauce. So definitely not at every store. I did find them at one store, and I could have got more of them, but I'll be back. These are $6.99 is the regular price, and there is a manufacturer printable coupon, and I've got the link to print that below, as well as a detailed breakdown of what I did here, because I know I'm talking fast. So check out the link below, as well as the breakdown below on that. So anyways, $6.99 for that. The manufacturer coupon takes off $6.99, made that absolutely free. Crest Pro Health toothpaste. So this is regular price. Well, let me see. Regular price for the Crest Pro Health is $3.65 with tax, comes at $3.92, but they're on sale for 2 for $6, which is $3 each. So making that $3.23. And then from the PG, I showed what the PG looks like. That is a $2 off coupon, and I believe it might be in your digital account. But anyways, it takes $2 off. Then Ibotta has 50 cents off, and I believe there's an Ibotta bonus when you get the other Crest. So I'm gonna be back and get that. Maybe I'll post a video about that. But regardless, $3.23 spent. $2 off from the manufacturer coupon, 50 cents back from Ibotta. You're looking at only paying 73 cents. And as I keep going back to this, but everything helped me get $5 off my total, and I'll get into that. All right, Success Rice Garden. You got to get the garden grains. Garden grains, these are $2.15 or $2.35. They were $2.19 last week, so everything is going up. I mean, prices are always going up, and this is no different. So buy 4 of them, $2.15 each, come to $8.60. Yeah, there's an Ibotta rebate for $1.50 off of each box, and there's also another Ibotta rebate that I think expires soon. It's 25 cents each box. There's also an Ibotta rebate, and the Ibotta rebate is there's Ibotta bonus. Sorry. It's about a bonus for 50 cents off of each one. So the 50 cents off of each one is, I used it already last week, so I don't have it, but you may have it. Anyways, $8.60 spent for these 4 boxes, $6 off from Ibotta, $1 off. There is $1, so that's costing me $1.60 total. Always Discreet. Let's go to the last deal here. The Always Discreet pads. This is a good one. And I was happy I found this deal because its regular price are $5.99. So for 6 of them with tax comes to $38.64. However, they are on sale for $2 off of each pack. Actually, I used 3 digital coupons because I just couldn't pass this deal up. So these are, as I said, they're $2 off, so it's $3.99. So for 6 of them with tax, cost $25.74. And I did this in 3 transactions. So I only bought 2 and 2 at a time. So there is a $5 off of 2 coupon from the PG. So I used 3 of those in 3 different transactions. So that takes $5 off, times 3 was $15 off. And then I submitted this to Stocking Spree, which is roughly $35.94. So that's $7.50 over it, $7.50 back to you there. And then there is a $5 off of 2 Publix digital coupon. So that is $15. Sorry. The Publix digital coupon was a mistake. Where is it? One mistake, as well as we see buying these Always Discreet pads, $5.99. I got the $2 off. And I used vendor coupon. I used 2 of those vendor coupons. And then a digital coupon came off for that Always, so $5 off. So another mistake. So what I did first is I handed them the paper coupon, the 2 paper coupons first when I bought 2 of them, and then I entered in my number and the digital coupon came off, and then of course I submitted to Stocking Spree. So for all 6 of these, it was $11.76 overage moneymaker on those, so gotta love that. All right, keep going. The Airwick, and these really went up in price because of their new packaging, I guess. But anyways, so these are $3.89. So for 2 of them with tax, came to $8.36. And there's a Publix digital coupon. I still had 2 of them in my account, so that took off, 1 in each account. So that took off $3.89 on either one of them, making that only a 48 cents for both of them. All right, keep going. Arm & Hammer. So as I did these in 2 transactions, so I got 2 at once. So these are $6.99 each. So, well, let's add up for 4 of them. Cost $30.60. Of course, they're BOGO, so it was $15.03 for 2 of them. Actually, it's less than that. It's $7.51 for 2 of them. And then if you submit to Swagbucks, you get 600 points, which is $6 off, making those only $1.51. And I also did on my other receipt, I submitted it to My Points, and same kind of thing. You get a little more back, so roughly around $6.15. So for all 4 of these, only cost me $2.88, and of course I was getting up to my 30 or getting up to your gas card, and you get 10 off or 5. In my case, I used 3 of those, so I had around $25 off. All right, keep going. Cinadust, another good deal here on these. The regular price is $2.99, and then Swagbucks has $3 back, and My Points has 500 points back, which is equivalent to like $3.05 or 10 cents. So both of these are free or a slight moneymaker on those. Those did not go through, so I'm requesting a review, but I'm confident it will go through. All right, last deal. Ready Sports Drinks. You see, these are regular price $2. So for 6 of them, cost $12.90. When you add the tax, however, they are on sale for $1.25 each. So for 6 of them with tax, comes to $8.06. Checkout 51 has $1 off of 2, a limit of 3. So I got $3 back from Checkout 51. And then Swagbucks has 100 points back, and you can do it 3 times. So I got $3 back. And once again, I'm requesting a review on that because it didn't go through on that. So for those 6 sports drinks, they cost only $2.06. And as I said, I used 3 of these Publix competitor coupons. So you check your Publix to see if they accept Sprouts coupons or Winn-Dixie or whatever one. And I got these in the mail, and I got a bunch of them. So they were, as I said, 3 of my transactions just went over $30. So I got about 15 more. I got $15 more off. And then, as you know, when you spend $50 worth of groceries, you get $10 off of that. So that was another $10 off of my total coupon haul today. And then, of course, that Publix perk that came in gave me another $5 off. So in total, all in all, $204.75 worth of goods and a $30.24 overage money maker. So this was a good one. Once again, 52 weeks a year. You can check my track record. My more videos of paid to shop, and this week was no different. Once again, paid to shop.